안녕하세요, 여러분. In this video, we are going to learn how to say I have something and I don't have something in Korean. Let's begin with dialogue 4. On page 5, the title is Do You Have Homework? Okay, let's read together the conversation, the dialogue between Andy and Sujin. 한국어 수업 숙제가 있어요? 네, 있어요. 많이 있어요? 아니요, 조금 있어요. 하지만 저는 시간이 없어요. 요즘 바빠요. Now, Andy and Sujin are talking about 한국어 수업 숙제. 한국어 is Korean language. 한국 is Korea. 한국어 is the language, Korean language. 한국어. So now we all are learning 한국어. 수업 is class. 수업. 숙제. I believe you practice this word 숙제 in chapter 1. 숙제 was one of the keywords. 숙제 was homework or assignment. The verb used in Sujin's question is 있어요. 있어요, which means to have. Andy replied, 네, 있어요. 네 is yes. So he said, I have. Yes, I have. 네, 있어요. 네, 있어요. They do not use pronouns such as I and you in their question and answer. Therefore, we need to understand the use of the verb 있어요 in different contexts with their intonation. If they use a rising intonation, 있어요, then it will be the question, and most of the time it will be do you have or does he or she have. In Sujin's question, she used rising intonation. 숙제가 있어요? And in the following sentence, Andy's reply, 네, 있어요. 네, 있어요. Then you can hear the intonation is different. Sujin asked again, 많이 있어요? 많이 is about the quantity or lot. Ending consonants are two, N and H sound. But usually we only pronounce N. 많이 있어요? 많이 있어요? And Andy said 아니요. 조금 있어요. 아니요 is no. And 조금 is little. However, Koreans do not take note of countable and uncountable nouns. There is no specific grammar related to the countable and uncountable nouns. So, when you want to say much and many, or little or few, they wouldn't really find the difference. For Andy, he has a few types of homework or number of assignments. So he said, 조금 있어요. The following is his description about his stages. 하지만 저는 시간이 없어요. 요즘 바빠요. 하지만 is but. 저는 I 시간이 시간 is time and the subject marker is attached. 시간이 없어요 means Andy said I don't have time. 하지만 저는 시간이 없어요. 요즘 which is recently 요즘 바빠요. Please take note there are two consonants 바 and 빠. 요즘 바빠요. 바빠요 means busy. In chapter 2, almost all sentences are useful and important in terms of vocabulary, word order, and sentence structure. So please memorize and try to comprehend the use of grammar fully. Let's look into the expression 있어요 and 없어요. Mainly, three information can be mentioned to talk about one's possession using 있어요 and 없어요. The first one, a person. And for this, we are using 은는 topic marker. And the following information will be possession, either an object or a person like family member. And we are using the subject marker 가 or 이. The last part of the sentence will be the verb 있어요, have, or 없어요, don't have. If you want to make sentence, the question, do you have 동생, the younger sibling, 동생? The sentence usually includes only two items from the above because they tend not to mention I and you, the pronouns. So it will be 동생이 있어요. 동생이 있어요. Because 동생 ends in consonant, so the following grammar, the particle must begin in the vowel. It is not easy to explain the use of subject marker here because 동생 is not a real doer or subject of the sentence. Therefore, we just can understand that this is another use of the subject marker 이가 when the verb 있어요, 없어요 is used. In reply, if you have 동생, the younger sibling, you can say 네, 있어요. Or 네, 동생이 있어요. It means the question and answer have the same form and word order, but their intonation must be different. If you want to deny the answer, you must say 아니요, and the verb will be 없어요. 아니요, 없어요. Or 아니요, 동생이 없어요. Let's turn to page 8 and practice more. You will see 9 items on page 8 and you will need to write at least 9 sentences to tell whether you have or don't have them. I will give one example only and you try to write your own sentences after this. The first example given here is 가방. 가방 is the bag. So I want to make sentence, I have a bag. The possession is a bag and grammatically it requires a particle which is subject marker before the verb 있어요. So the answer will be 저는 I, 지금 now, 가방이 the bag, 있어요 I have. 저는 지금 가방이 있어요. So I choose to use E because the word 가방 ends in a consonant. Let me read all 9 words first and you can continue writing your answers. 가방, 가방, 모자, 모자, 차, 차, 컴퓨터, 컴퓨터, 사전, 사전, 돈, 돈, 펜, 펜, 안경, 안경, 지우개, 자기소개